Assalamu alaikum ya gishirwa ya ibada. Today we're making Ramadan I, which is also known as pepper soup by our Nigerian brothers and sisters. So here are a list of the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. Please take a screenshot for safekeeping. I will also list them in the description of this video. So first up, I'm going to use my manual chopper to chop down my peppers without chopping down the seeds. This is to minimize the heat. Next, I'm going to puree my onion, ginger, my garlic, and add that along with the meat into my Instapot. Following that, I'm going to add my bay leaves, rosemary, my seasoning cubes, and the sea salt to taste. In goes my chopped peppers, and then I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of siri spices, all-purpose seasoning. This is going to substitute what we traditionally know as pepper soup spices. Next, I'm going to top it up with some water and give it a good stir. And I'm going to also add a few more peppers, as if I haven't added enough already. But anyway, when you taste it, you'll understand this soup is best spicy. So I've turned on my Instapot for about 40 minutes on high pressure so that the meat is so tender and falls off the bone. The smell, the aroma, everything was just amazing. Now, bismillah, enjoy.